girls, and welcome to Girl Guitar and to a happy song from Lyn Lapid. She's okay with it. Alright, so we have a 3-chord progression here, and it's pretty easy actually to play this one. You will practice this strumming pattern, perhaps that's the challenge here, but anyway, let's dive into this one. Capo on first, and with that we have these 3 chords, the G major, D major, and D7. So let's start with the G major here. Alright, so that is the 3rd on E. Then I mute the next string with the finger I'm using now, the middle finger. I lean on top of the A string, so that gets muted. Then open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. That's a G major 13, I believe, or so. Don't have to be more technical about it, just a G major, that's enough. Let's move on to the D major 7. It's very easy, guys. You just place a bar here on the 2nd fret from the G string and down, so that means 3 strings from bottom up. So 1, 2, 3, place a bar there, and then you even incorporate the open D string. Alright, so 4 strings there. That gives us open D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and 2nd E. That's D major, and then we have the D7. Very similar, but you can't use the bar here. So it's the open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and that's the only difference here, and 2nd E. And there we have the 3rd and final chord, the D7. So it goes in that order through the entire song: G major, D major, and D7. Alright, so let's take a look at the strumming pattern. It's pretty long, so grab the G major, that's the 1st chord, and one strum around sounds like this. Okay, so the first part will be down, down, up, clap. Down, down, up, clap. And then it continues down, up, down, clap, down, up. So down, up, down, clap, down, up. And that's the end. So it starts with down, down, up, clap, then down, up, down, clap, down, up. That's one round, a long one, but yeah, practice them, these parts separately, and then build it together. So down, down, up, clap. You can practice that part first, and then you go to down, up, down, clap, down, up, and put them together. So all right, so you're gonna play 2 G major rounds of the strumming, then 1 on the D major and 1 on D7, and that's what's going on through the entire song. So that gives us so on. Alright guys, so that was Lyn Lapid's okay with it. I hope you are okay with it, and if you are, please give me one okay thumb up, and I'm satisfied. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.